Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the SP 500 index fund, the Nasdaq 100, and the DXY or US dollar index, plus the Bitcoin price prediction, guys. We came today to analyze it for you. I'm sorry for yesterday, I haven't put any video. So, guys, let's start the lesson of today. So, as you see, guys, here, the SP 500, what it given us here, as you see it, it gave us here a head and shoulder here, as I tell it to you before. So now we need to focus on that level here if we are going to break it down here, because that one is the neckline here. So if it's breaking down, we're going to come and we do it like that. Till here, maybe it's going to go till here, till that peak here. By the way, you see that peak here, then you go to your broker and you do it exactly how we done it us. Because if you see here, that peak here, look where it's coming from. Is it from here, guys? As you see it, here and here. Picture is too clear, guys. Plus, we got here, we still have here. Plus, guys, we still have here that up channel. That one here till now it hasn't been broken down. So when it's going to be broken down, that's when we are going to enter short, guys. Till now nothing was changed, everything's still the same, guys. So till now there is no entry here in the SP 500. We need to wait in a little bit till the break it happened here, guys. Actually it's going to break even the 200 moving average, because till now also is still above the 200 moving average. And today is Monday, guys. As I tell it to you every time, Monday is doing against what is going to do all the week. So maybe from here we're going to see it going up, and that week is a very huge week for the news, guys. So be careful from all those things. Till now us, we don't find any direction. There is no clear direction and not clear picture. Now either it's going to drop or either it's going to go higher. So we need to wait in a little bit. Let's see our indicators, guys, what the same for picture to be more clear to you before we go to the indicator. Yes, you. Are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, guys, every day we put in for you 2 videos. Every day 2 videos. One after European market close and one after the daily candle close. So like that, you're going to be very well updated about what the market doing right now. It's not something hard, my friend. Just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all. So like that, when we put in something new, going to be notify. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Let's see our indicators, guys. That one here, as you see it, it's being here at the overbought area level. We used to be in a very stronger level here. Should we enter short? Not yet, guys. We need the price action to finish. As you see, that up channel here, it needs to be broken down here. Till now there is no breaking, so there is no entry short yet. We need to wait in a little bit more, guys. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go in to see the Nasdaq, guys, what it's doing for picture to be more clear to you. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in the Nasdaq 100. That one here, as you see it, the same thing here. It gave us here a head and shoulder, guys. As you see it, it's very clear here in the 4 hours. So now we need to wait in the break to happen here in the neckline. And the same thing, we're going to calculate in the take profit. Take profit is going to be here exactly at that peak. That one here, that one here. Look at it. I'll show it to you. So it's going to fall down a little bit till here. Then over there we're going to see if we are going at the oversold area or no. Till now also we're still in a downtrend here in the Nasdaq 100, guys. And as I tell you, it's coming very bad news. And even the VIX today is at 24, guys. So everything is very bad. And here the trend line I show you before, that one I told you, even that one you need to make a close eye at it. Till now that one, it hasn't been broken, so we need to wait in a little bit, because till now here try to give you here a up channel, guys. So maybe from here it's going to go higher. We don't know what's going to happen, but till now there is no break happening, so we need to wait in a little bit, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicators, guys, what they say for picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it's being here at the overbought area level. You are in a very stronger level. The 200 moving average is a very stronger level, but the price action, as I tell you, that head and shoulder, that one, it hasn't breaking for us the neckline. And today is Monday, guys, so we need to wait until tomorrow for the picture to be a little bit clear for us if there is any short swing trading here in the Nasdaq, guys. So till now there is nothing clear. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's go into the DXY or US dollar index to see what is it there for picture to be more clear to you. By the way, did you smash the like button? Yes, you. Did you smash the like button, my friend? I know you are a subscriber and you're supporting us, so please pause the video, smash the like button, writing down a comment, helping us guys. You know that channel without which can growing up. So please support us. You done it. Thank you very much, my friend, and I appreciate all the help I get from you guys. Now let's go in to see the DXY, guys. Here it is, the DXY. The DXY, as you see it, it gave us here like double bottom, guys. But till now it's not completed here. So it's still a little bit early here for us thinking of that one is going to go back upward. Because till now also we're still in a very sharp downtrend, guys, as you see it. If you put like that channel like that, what you see, you are in a down channel. Till now we couldn't break it up here. So till now we're still in a very sharp downtrend, and I'll show you everything about that one. Because even if we zoom it like that, you see where we are. We are in that level here. That one here is a very stronger level. We bring it from here, guys. And even if we go back far away, we're going to find the same thing. So here also we are in a very sharp downtrend, but we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Indicators, all of them, they are in at the oversold area. Now here it's waiting the coming data, guys, as you see it. Now if it give us here like that a double top, we're going to enter long. If it's not, there is no entry, guys. And here in a small here, it give us here a small cup and handle like that. But that one if you want just to go till here. But if you want for swing trading, we need that one, guys, to give us that double bottom here like that, to break for us that last high here, that one here. That is going to indicating for us the market is going to reverse. Till now there is nothing confirmed, so we need to wait in a little bit till the right time is coming. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's going to see the Bitcoin, what it's doing right now in the 4 hours for pictures to be more clear to you. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in the Bitcoin. The Bitcoin here, what did I told you? I told you we got here that level here or that flag here. I told you if it doesn't being broken up, there is no entry. Until now, there is no breaking up. There is no breaking down. So also we stay sideways, guys. As you see it, Saturday and Sunday, it doesn't be in a big volume there. And the flag, as you see it, like that, you bring it like that. So everything's still the same. And here, what we said before, we do it like that. That's what I told you in the last video. What did I told you? I told you even if it's breaking here, you don't need to enter. You need to enter unless when it's breaking here, the lower of that place here, because over here is going to be broken just by sideways, guys. And that's what it's showing here. It's showing it's being broken just by sideways. That's when I told you need to focus on just about that flag here. That one here, guys, look at it. That flag here, you need to make a close eye at it, what the market is going to do. Now, either if we're breaking down here, we're going to do like that and like that. The take profit is going to be here at that last low here. If we don't break, guys, there is no entry yet. So we need to wait in a little bit. What's going to happen? Yes, you're going to enter late, but you're going to enter in the safe side. Till now, there is nothing to do. Also, we still sideways as you see it, guys. The market doesn't move that about 5 or 4 days. All that time, also we be in here sideways. So there is nothing new till now. We need to see where is the market is going to go. Either up or either down. So till now there is no clear picture. Now let's go into see our indicators, guys, what they're saying here in the Bitcoin. So let's go in there. Here our indicator, guys, as you see it, it's breaking down here. Same thing like how I show you in the chart, it's breaking the downward channel. But me, I told you, not yet. It needs to break for us that last low here. And as you see it, guys, he couldn't break it. He came down here. Same thing here, and it go back up. So we need to wait a little bit. If it's going to break here, we're going to enter short. Till now there is no entry. And if you remember, I show you that divergence also we got up here. So that one we're pushing that little bit down. And today is Monday, guys. Till tomorrow we're going to see if there is any short position here. We're going to enter in it. Till now there is no clear picture because it might from here we are going to go back here and we're breaking up. So we need to wait until tomorrow what the market is going to tell us. Picture is too clear, guys. Now it's going to see our other indicator what it's saying for picture to be more clear to you. That one here, as you see it, guys, I show you here we got a small divergence like that. People being with us, but till now there is no price action there to enter short. The only price action we have here is that one. As I show you, that range or sideways or flag, it needs to be broken down for us to enter short because us, as you see here, look with me, you still above the 200 moving average because some people, what can we say? What some people, they just go in and they follow my analysis and they put it in their videos and they tell them their followers enter short. No, you don't need to enter short now. Look, that break here will happen. Yes, it happened here a break. But where you still? You still above the 200 moving average. That means you are in an uptrend, not in a downtrend. You don't need to enter now. It needs to break for you that last low, which is here. Even in a trend, let me show you something here. Oh, it's going to be out of not analysis, but it's going to be something important like that. You have here an uptrend like that. Let's say like that, like that, like that, like that. Then it came the market and break in here. Where is the last low? Is it that one? For you to know the trend is going to change, what you need? It's need that one to break the last low, which is here. The last low here, where is it? Is it that one? Did it break it? No, it might from here. It's going to give you another low, then it's going to go higher, guys. That's why I told you it's not yet. You need to wait in a little bit. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there, if there is any scalping opportunity for today and tomorrow. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes. 30 minutes, last video used to be here. We do it the same thing here. It's breaking here. We'll have you enter short tail here. But now what should you do? Here, look with me. You came like that and you're doing like that, like a triangle as you see it, and you wait in the break, either to break up to enter long or either to break short for you to enter short, guys. And here what you got here, you got there a cup and handle, guys. Look at it, very clear there. It's our indicator. What it's saying, guys, our indicator, it's saying you are here at the oversold area. You got here a cup and handle here, so you should enter long now. Take profit where it needs to be, here at that place here. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video. See you after the daily candle. Finish it. Bye for now, guys.